Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have another Samsung Galaxy phone, which is Galaxy A40S, the better version of Galaxy A40, which is coming with probably more improvements. This phone is a bit taller than Galaxy A40. The other Galaxy A40 is just 5.9 inch and this one is 6.4 inch. And we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and I'm gonna tell you a few comparison between this A40S and the other A40. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, give it a like, a share, and yeah, if you like it, stay tuned, keep an eye on the channel because we're gonna do more interesting unboxing, comparison, speed test, and I always ask you guys what would you like to see on the channel. So this phone arrived from China. I usually buy phones from China. They are coming more quick than on European markets. And of course you're gonna see this Chinese writing here, which I don't understand. But I can say that this A40S is coming with an Infinity V display. We got a triple camera, which on A40 without S is coming with just a dual camera. So it's a better improvement on this one. So we got also a huge 5000 milliamp battery, which on A40 single we got just 3100 milliamp per battery. So wow, it's huge on this one. Let's see what else we got. We got 64 gigabytes of internal memory plus micro SD card. Probably we can go up to 1 terabyte like usually our Samsung does. And we got 6 gigabytes of RAM. And if you're asking for the price of this phone, I just have to say it's quite cheap, guys. It's just 160 pounds. Amazing. Let's see how we're gonna open this. It's all sealed, if you can see right here. Okay. Oh, okay, and the box, it's a different than the other Samsung Galaxy phones. So yeah, it's inside. Okay, let's see what do we got in here. We got a silicone case. Wow, really nice. I like it. And we got the Samsung oh, again, card right here, which we got a QR reader, so we can go probably on an app. I like it. Interesting, really nice. And this is the email, so it's a dual SIM phone plus 1 terabyte of external storage if you want to. So look, we got a micro SD, we got a nano SIM 1 plus a nano SIM 2, so we got on the same tray 2 SIM cards plus a micro SD up to 1 terabyte, which is amazing for this cheap phone. Okay, back in the box. And let's have a look on the phone, maybe later. So we got the adapter right here. It's coming from Samsung, of course, and this is probably from non-European markets, probably American or Chinese, Asian markets, and it's all in Chinese, of course. We got USB Type-C, if I can see right here. Yeah, it's an USB Type-C. And we got oh, headphone speakers, which is really nice for this price. So we got a cable and that key to open the SIM tray to the phone. Okay, let's have a look on the phone now. Let's peel this and let's see what do we have right here. It's a nice looking phone. Oh, plastic. It sounds different than down here. More plastic here. Looks like no, it's all plastic. Okay, so yeah, we got a nice setup here. We got a triple camera on Galaxy A40S, which on A40, like I said, we got just 2 cameras, and we got the fingerprint sensor on the back, which is a bit high, but it's quite alright. And we got a V-shape camera of 16 megapixel on the front facing camera. And from what can I see here, we got The screen protector already applied by them. I don't know if it's Samsung or if it's the manufacturer, but the phone was all sealed, so probably was Samsung. And we're just gonna turn on the phone. So yeah, if you can see right here is Samsung Galaxy A40S. S, in my opinion, S would be coming from smaller, but this is bigger. So 6.4 inch, it's an HD plus Super AMOLED display, and this 6.4 inch is an Infinity V display, which is quite nice. It's really interesting. Starting Android. Yeah, I like this contemporary classy look, all black on this phone. So we got the SIM tray right here. Let's have a quick open it. Yeah, wow, amazing. So we got 1, 2 micro SIMs and another micro SD card, which is amazing. SIM 1 plus SIM 2 and micro SD, which is really good. Back, I hope I don't broke it. Okay, what we got on the top right here, we got not too much. On the bottom, oh yeah, we got the jack audio. See, we got the jack audio. We got the USB Type C right here, and we got a speaker, which is really nice. We got the power button right here, and we got the volume button right on the edge, all the corners around the phone. Now let's talk about the camera. So like I said, we got the triple camera. We got the 5 megapixel on the top, which is the deep camera plus f2.2. We got the main camera, which is the 13 megapixel f1.9, and we got an ultra wide camera 5 megapixel f2.2. So we got a really nice setup of a triple camera. It's better than the other version, Galaxy A40, with just dual camera on the back. Okay, let's go through the settings. English, Australia, maybe not today. Okay, let's move on. Insert a SIM card, not yet. I have agree. I don't want this and this and this and this and this. Okay. Okay, how do you want to connect? Wireless cable, skip for now, let's say. Okay, skip again. Okay, green time 7. I'm gonna do it after that. We're just gonna go quick through the settings. I don't want to let you to be bored watching this quick setup. So we got face recognition, fingerprints pattern. Let's do a quick fingerprints test, and okay, let's do this one. Confirm. Okay, scan your fingerprint, and let's have a minute. Okay, it's quick. Continue. 100%. Okay, next. Okay, we're gonna go trip.com. I don't want this. Next again. Samsung account, skip for the moment, skip for the moment. All done, finish, and let's have a look on this new Samsung Galaxy A40S. So we got a Super AMOLED HD plus display. So it's not full HD, it's just HD plus. Okay. Oh, really nice. It's a global version. We don't have any Chinese characters on this phone. Look, it's so clean, it's nice. I quite like it. Let's see what do we have on the key menu right here. So we got Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, fly mode, power mode, mobile data, blue light, location. So I don't see NFC at this moment. Do not disturb, secure sync, Dolby Atmos only, yeah. So, and we got Volt TE. Also we got screen capture, capture screen, night mode. Oh yeah, really nice. We got night mode, navigation bar, and let's see what this one is hiding here. Maybe, oh, nearby. So it's all done. So the phone is not coming with the NFC for payments, but I don't mind. It's quite a really nice looking phone, and amazing 500 milliampere battery and fast charging, up to 15 watts. So it's a super fast charging technology, which is amazing. And I'm curious to see in how much time would be able that 15 watts charger to charge this phone. So it would be interesting. Maybe we're gonna do a test between this one, Galaxy A50, the new coming Galaxy A70. So stay tuned on the channel, because I'm gonna have loads of video to do. And if you got any, I don't know, opinions, just share it in that comment section. So this is the new Galaxy A40S. It's a nice looking phone from Samsung. At the moment I just find this phone on the Chinese markets. I'm not sure if it's in Europe. I didn't find it even on GSM Arena to have a look on this phone for specifications. But yeah, 160 pounds is not too bad. Let's do that quick fingerprint test and let's see. Okay. Not too bad. You just have to find it. I prefer to be that fingerprint a bit deeper into the phone, because it's quite on the same level with the back of the phone. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's go quick to the camera. Let's see. Wow, I like it. So we can move between the normal and the wide camera. See, right here. And let's have another look on the settings. Okay, full HD on the rear back. And now let's see if it supports 4K. Would be amazing. No, just full HD like on A50, and just full. So full HD on the rear back, and on the front camera we got also full HD, which is really nice. And yeah, let's turn the camera so maybe we can see something. How does it looking? Okay, let's see maybe if we can do a quick picture. Okay, let's start doing a quick picture. Focus. Ready? Okay, so probably the phone detect the scene and then scene optimize off on. Yeah, can it's like an AI. The phone can choose if you're outside, if it's a car, if it's a flower, if it's a box. So yeah, the phone can choose this for you. I don't want the location, and I have to say this photo looks really good. We can see all the details on this little box. Look, wow, amazing. Zoom on this photo. It's a bit noisy if you go on a deep zoom in, but look how clean it's looking. Have a look. It's amazing. Yeah, so moving on the video, let's see if we can while recording we can move between wide and ultra wide. So it doesn't seem to. Would be really nice with that triple camera to move between ultra wide and the normal camera, but well, I'm not gonna say anything. So yeah, this is a quick unboxing, first impression, which I like it. It's a really nice phone, really nice looking phone. I like this V shape here. It's like on OnePlus 5, OnePlus 6T style right here. It's not just like U, it's like a bit of curves, and yeah, really nice looking phone. Okay, we're gonna do a few more tests with these phones, and if you got any suggestions, just leave it on the comments. If you want speed test between this one and any other phone, just yeah, leave a comment on that section. And again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I appreciate doing that. and until next time, just peace, guys.